So very happy with this noise. Generator is running. I went and got another starter motor for it, and it is sweet. 2 bolts, 1 screw. The easiest fix I've ever done. Also repaired the window on the other side. Got the AC running. I think my kids are inside playing something. I did a little fix here as well. The switch that runs the compressor for the air ride, the fuse was gone to the ignition, so I just ran a direct wire. That box there, I also adjusted the pressures on it, so it's got a slow leak and it turns back on at 70 psi when I'm running with it open. I've got the bypass switch, so it shuts off at 100 psi and then restarts at 70. But I just shut it off at the Schrader valves. See, nice and cool inside. Hey girls. What you doing?
Mila was falling backwards on her butt. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
AC running nice and strong. Look at that. All the lights are working. And here's my other little fix. Got to put the curtains back up and a Wi-Fi speaker in the corner there. I have covered this in leather with brass tacks.
You don't know what's happening because we're moving the RV to go camping.
Yes, we're going to go camping. So that should be pretty cool. This works. Just a couple pieces of wood either side, and I'm very happy with it. Ugh. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
You having fun in your RV?
Yeah.
How about you?